Hi my beautiful people, in this video I'm going to show you using ArcGIS Desktop how to create a halo effect or a text buffer. So you know that halo effect or text buffer is possible when you're doing the labeling. So for my case, I'll just first label, go to properties in ArcGIS Desktop, then go to my labels, then labels, features, then using maybe this one here. Then I can just give it a bold color, yes, okay. So when I label, it becomes like this one, you see? Okay, it's actually too big. Let me just reduce it so that it can have a good halo effect. Something like this, you see? So now I produce a text buffer, like some sort of a lightings on the text of the labels. So it's simple like that. Just go to right click, then properties. Okay. First of all, let us symbolize it so that it looks visually impressive, okay? Okay. Visually impressive, okay? Add all values. Yeah, before labeling, before doing the halo effect. So I'm just now going to do the halo effect, properties, labels. Then now here you go to something called symbol. So upon clicking symbol here, go again symbol, inside the symbol, then go to mask here. So mask here, put halo. So you can put true size 0, so it will look like this. When we just increase, you see the brighter it becomes. So for my case, I'll just put 2, or you can put 1. So it depends. For my case, I'll put 2. Then okay, apply, okay. You see, voila. So that's it. So this is a way of actually having a halo effect or text buffer using ArcGIS Desktop. Make sure to subscribe for more videos like this. Gracias.